Hey guys, what's going on? I know it's been a while since y'all seen me, but I'm back and we are going to do a review of some new wireless earbuds, true wireless earbuds. These are the Ceramics Ultra. I'm getting ready to go on a trip to New York. I live in Houston, Texas, and I figured this would be a great time to unbox this and hop on the plane and test them out and tell you guys how they are, because that's how we roll. Anyway, I gotta unbox these things, grab my bags because my Uber's almost here, and I'll let y'all know what's up with these things. Oh man, guys, I am back. It's really good to be home, man. I love traveling, but it's not like being home, man. Oh, anyways, I really like these earbuds. I'm actually very surprised at their performance while I was gone. I took a big risk because I usually travel with something like the Sony XM6 earbuds. Love those earbuds. Those are my go-to travel earbuds, and then I use the over-ear headphones on the plane. But today I decided to use these in place of those, or not today, but over the trip I decided to use these. I was very impressed. So first off, they do come with some, oh crap, some accessories. So what I've done here is I've taken all of the included ear tips out. They come for 6, for a total of 3 pair of silicone ear tips. I'm gonna put these to the side. I'll show you these in a second. Dude, I have really messed this up. Anyways, come with 3 sets, right? But then my kit from the manufacturer actually came with an additional set of these super noise canceling ear tips. I call them noise canceling ear tips. These are memory foam ear tips. And this is what helps isolate you from the rest of the world. So it kind of boosts the ANC performance because it's like foam and it just really seals the ear. And that's like step 1 of getting the best sound and the most full sound out of any set of earbuds. So when it comes to ANC, I guess we'll talk about that first since I talked about those ear tips. When it comes to ANC, these things are special. Like for $50, I'm very impressed. Like these, I haven't tested out a lot of $50 earbuds recently because, you know, usually they're kind of jacked up there as far as price. Dude, these are performing very well in all facets. When you compare them to the ones that cost $200 plus. These definitely punch above their weight class. So let's talk about the ANC performance, and then I'll just kind of go through each segment with you. So I just put them in my ear so I can show you what's going on in the app. Dude, ANC performance, they have everything as far as features, man. Check this out. You got ANC, which is, it just told me deep noise cancellation. That's what's going on right now. Then you got wind. This is specifically designed, it's telling me wind noise cancellation. So I like the audible, and I don't mean tones. It's giving me verbal cues as to what I'm doing inside of this app or what the earbuds are doing. I love that. And this one is actually specifically designed for wind. Now I was walking through the streets quite a bit, and it was, you know, a little wind gust here and there, and it does block them out efficiently, but you still get that extra ANC. And then you got full ANC, which is just completely sealed off from the world. I didn't like that while I was walking around in the streets because there's so much going around. I wanted to hear some stuff. So normal, I never use normal. It's either full ANC, maybe wind, or one of my favorites is transparency. So if I'm sitting by myself, like at a coffee shop or something like that, a hotel lobby, I'll do ANC. But this transparency, even right now, man, is it sealed? Yeah, they're sealed. And I can hear my voice well. Like I'm not trying to over talk myself because I don't feel like I'm necessarily in a tunnel. This is some really good transparency mode. This is some of the best I've tested on any earbud, even the top tier premium ones, let alone some $50 earbuds. So you do get a lot of performance here in the ANC. But then you get the transparency effect adjustment. So you can have more standard, which is like kind of full on. And then you get into comfort transparency. Yeah, it kind of lightens it up just a little bit so you're not hearing everything, you know what I'm saying? But I like it. I like full on because I can even hear my voice like sound more tunnely when I put it in comfort. But since we're in the app, I want to tell you some stuff, man. Check this out. So you got your EQs, right? By default, mine came fixed on pop. I actually really enjoyed that sound, but at some parts, you know, sometimes I get a little hearing fatigue where, you know, a lot of treble just kind of over time makes me just tired of listening to my music. So I hit it to classic, and classic kind of softens that a little bit. it. So classic has been my favorite. Then you got hi-fi and rock, and then of course customized EQ. So let's just go in here. How many bands is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just turned them all down. 10 band EQ in these earbuds. And I didn't play around with that because I was so comfortable with classic. But the way the classic and the pop sounds tells me that you can actually really dig into the customization of your own personal sound with these earbuds, and these earbuds can actually handle it. I'm not a technical guy, man. I'm not going to get into the driver size or what the drivers are made out of, but I didn't experience any distortion with the bass at any level because I did crank them up a bit, and nothing with the highs or the mids, and everything seems balanced on these two classic style and pop default EQs. So if you get into that 10 band EQ, it's gonna go crazy. Now this right here, I ain't never seen on an app designed by a third-party company outside of what's built into your phone. Gain, increase or decrease the earphone's bass output volume. Dude, whatever your phone is putting out, I tried these at like 90% volume, then I turned it up to max, right? Your phone will go to its max. If you press on this, you can get more volume. So I don't want to hear about nobody talking about these don't play loud enough. I damn near deafened myself just testing this out. So I'm gonna keep mine on this lowest level because that plus is too much. Then you got your normal stuff like game mode for low latency, dual voice connection, and then right here I'm using LDAC, but you see your three sections right here. I like LDAC because it's the cleanest that I can find. And then you can adjust your touch settings. Now on these earbuds, I really like the ergonomics. They do kind of remind you of a previous set of earbuds from another company, which I've already named before, but I like the flat design on the actual ear, on the pad there, because it gives you like a definite touch. So it's not like you're touching on a crown of a surface, you're touching on a flat surface and it's big. I like that. But since we're talking about touch, man, you get some customization here on pretty much every function. Let me go back to that. On every function and every ear. I didn't feel the need to mess with this because double clicking, if I double click to play and pause, it actually prevents me from accidentally, touching it or something like that. So the single click will be a volume up and down, but you can do that customization on the left and the right ear. And I think I saw something else. What was it? It was something else. Was it personal settings? Nah, I think it was the volume stuff. But that's pretty much it for the app because, once again, we're talking about, a more budget set of earbuds. So we're not going to get too crazy, but I feel like they went kind of wild on this, man, with the transparency level and the 10 band EQ and the extra gain. So for those of y'all who have a hard time hearing your music or don't feel like your stuff goes into beast mode enough or loud enough, dude, you got extra decibels here. So go into the app and crank that up. Now these earbuds are on sale right now on Amazon. I just checked for 50 bucks. I do think that's a steal. They're only like 60 when they're not on sale, but still, either way, great bargain. And the thing is, they're great for travel. I traveled with them to New York City from Houston, and these were my go-to walking around the streets and stuff. I never actually plugged in the case to charge them up because I don't know, I was just walking around the streets, and what came out of the battery life out of the case actually performed well. Now, according to them, you get up to 11 hours on a single charge, and if you include the case recharging on that, you're going to get up to 40 hours. I never felt the need to charge the case. I don't even know what it's at right now, but pulling these out of the case and just rolling with them, you good to go for up to 11 hours. And I never had an issue with that. Now let's get into some nitty gritty stuff, like for what you actually use your earbuds for. First, I'm gonna talk about phone calls. I only took one phone call, and according to what was on the other end, the person I was talking to, they didn't say it sounds like you're on your phone. It's not that clean. You know what I'm saying? They knew I was on some earbuds, but they didn't have any problems hearing me. It wasn't shaky. It wasn't muffled. Like I was asking them all kinds of questions like, seriously, is this a comfortable conversation we're having? And they weren't struggling with, hearing me correctly, or, just sometimes when you talk on the other end when somebody's on the phone, it just sounds awful. And then you just want to beg them to get off of those freaking earbuds. Not once. So the phone calls are actually good on both sides of that. Now we'll get into the most important thing when it comes to earbuds. I've already touched on this a bit, but when it comes to audio quality, I listen to wide genres of music, especially when I travel, but I do like to listen to a lot of like Afro beats and stuff like that. So when it comes to bass, I'm all about getting that bass in there, right? So the bass was clean and it was placed where it was supposed to be on every track. It actually got really deep too. So, you know, some of those songs where you get those low frequencies, man, it was actually carrying out those low frequencies very well. And then the mids, like I said, I switched from pop to the classic, and the mids and the highs were just perfect for me because I like it a little bit softer. I don't want things screeching in my ear. So when you combine all three of those, man, the audio quality was really good. Now I did say I listened to a lot of different genres. So of course, I stepped into, you know, your typical R&B, and then I don't really listen to hip hop that much, but then I did do a little bit of classic rock, and then some interest, like I don't even know what this genre of music is called, but I listen to it all the time. It's just this like indie kind of pop kind of music, and I kept it on classic the whole time, the EQ, and all that music sounded great. So I didn't find myself going into the EQ or going into the presets and changing back and forth depending on what genre I was in. Everything just sounded great on that one setting. So that's where I suggest you go if you decide to get these earbuds, is just put it on pop or classical and just let it ride, man. I feel like you can listen to any music, like, you know, if you're in the gym or whatever and you just, you know, rocking out, like, that might work for you, that same setting. If you just chilling in the library or, you know, at your office or something like that, I feel like classic's gonna work for you. Now, at the end of the day, I am really surprised by these earbuds, and I really enjoyed them too, man. I left my other ones at home, so it was a big risk, the ones I usually take, and I took the Ceramics Ultra with me as my only set of earbuds. And dude, that was a bold move, but they never let me down, not once, man. The music was great, the ANC was great, the ambient sound was great, the transparency, that's important to me. Transparency, it's not necessarily ANC, it's just music, calls, and transparency mode. That's where I usually get, you know, real picky when it comes to earbuds, but I'd give them like 4.5, 5 stars on all three of those big categories for me. I don't know what you gonna do, man. You can check out the link in the description to see if you want to check them out or not. Either way, I'm getting up out of here, man. I gotta go unpack and like decompress from this trip. Y'all keep being good to each other, and I'll see you when I see you.